Still sizzling. Okay, this is another of my recipes using one of my homemade vegan dairy foods. This is a lasagna, and the mozzarella is not homemade. I want to save my homemade mozzarella for something else. But this has got my homemade ricotta cheese in it. And it just came out of the oven, and you're not supposed to cut into it, but I'm going to try maybe just a little corner and give it a taste once it cools off. I'll have to blow on it a little bit, but it basically has some Barilla no boil lasagna noodles layered with okay, got all crusty, layered with a whole jar of Rouse marinara sauce, the homemade ricotta cheese, some garlic, some Italian herbs, some black pepper, and some Violife shredded mozzarella. And of course I will have the recipe on my blog. And oh boy, it smells really good. There's a little bit of ricotta on the top. Can't really see the layers. The layers won't be really nice until it cools off enough to get a good slice. I'm trying to get some more out. When you cook this almond ricotta, it gets so creamy. Let me see if I can make a bigger slice. So yeah, sauce on the bottom, noodles, ricotta cheese, more noodles, sauce, mozzarella, sauce, noodles, ricotta, sauce, noodles, etc. Layered in a 9 by 13 pan, baked for an hour at 375, covered up, and then I uncovered it for about 10 minutes, put it on broil so that it browned the cheese. This has got more layers. I'm burning my mouth, but it's so good, and I'm so hungry. I've been waiting for this for like an hour and a half. But I'll have to control myself and let it cool off for a regular slice. Nice and thick and creamy and tasty. So, I'll have the link to the previous video. I won't link to Vegetarian anymore because I'm not doing Vegetarian videos. I've got one left. It's this is Sunday night. I recorded my last cheese video this morning, and it's probably going to take 8 to 9 hours to upload. It hasn't even uploaded yet. I hope it makes it on here before midnight. And this will be Tuesday when you see the lasagna. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later, guys.